So this video is to check to see if you got the problems that you tried on your own correctly. So we'll do number 3 first. The larger of two numbers is 1 more than 4 times the smaller number. So we have a smaller number. I'm going to let it be x. Larger number. 1 more than 4 times the smaller. So that's 4x plus 1. 4 times and 1 more. So 4 times x, 1 more, plus 1. So now we're ready for the second sentence here. We're going to set up our equation. If the sum of the numbers is 106, find the numbers. So I take x and I need to add it to 4x plus 1 in order to find the sum. And then the sum is supposed to equal 106, so I set this equal to 106. We solve by combining like terms on the left. 5x plus 1 equals 106. We keep going by subtracting 1 from both sides. We have 5x equals 105. Then we need to divide both sides by 5. X equals 21. X equals 21. So what have we found? We found the smaller number. The smaller number is x. How do we find the bigger number? We have to plug it in to what we said the bigger number should be. We have to say 4 times 21 plus 1. 4 times 21 is 84, plus 1 is 85. So our two numbers for this problem are 21 and 85. Starting over with number 4, the larger of two numbers is twice the smaller number. So we have a larger and a smaller. The smaller is x. The larger is 2 times x because it's twice the smaller number. So that's all we're given in the first sentence. So that's all we need to have written over here. The next sentence is how we set up our equation. So what does it say? If 12 is subtracted from the larger number, the result is 7 more than the smaller number. So if 12 is subtracted from the larger, so subtracted from is one of our turnaround phrases. The larger number is 2x. What am I taking away from 2x? I'm taking away 12. That's what it means if 12 is subtracted from the larger number. The result is, remember, is equals 7 more than the smaller number. Well, the smaller number is x. 7 more than the smaller number is x plus 7. So that sentence sets up our equation. We're ready to solve. We can start by adding 12 to both sides. This is 2x equals x plus 19. Then we can subtract x from both sides. So x is 19. Remember, x is the smaller number. So in order to find the bigger number, I have to take x and multiply it by 2. So 19 times 2 is 38. So the two numbers we're working with on this problem are 19 and 38. So the next two problems we're going to look at are number 12 and number 13. The length of a rectangle is 7 inches more than the width. So if the width is x, the length is x plus 7 inches more. That's our first sentence. That's how we set up our variables. Our second sentence, if the perimeter is 66 inches, find the dimensions. So we need the formula for perimeter. So P is 66, W is x, L is x plus 7. So from here we'll distribute. 66 equals 2x plus 2x plus 14. Combine like terms on the right-hand side. 66 equals 4x plus 14. Subtract 14 from both sides. 52 equals 4x, and divide both sides by 4, leaves you with x equals 13. We're back to perimeter, so we need to look at units. We are measuring in inches this time, so it's x equals 13 inches. So the next thing we need to find is the length. We already have the width, and next we'll need to find the length. So we'll need to use what we found for the width in order to find the length. The length is x plus 7. X we said was 13, so we need to add 7 to this to find the length. 13 plus 7 is 20. So our dimensions for this rectangle are 13 inches by 20 inches. Last problem. The length of a rectangle is 5 less than twice the width. So our width is x. Our length, we have another turnaround phrase. Less than is a turnaround phrase. How many less than? 5 less than. So I'm taking 5 away from twice the width, so that's 2x. So we need our formula. Perimeter this time is 56 inches, so 56 is going to go in for P. 2 times W. W is x plus 2 times L. L is 2x minus 5. Distribute the 2. 56 equals 2x plus 4x minus 10. Combine like terms. 2x plus 4x is 6x. From here, we need to add 10 to both sides. 66 is 6x. Divide both sides by 6, so x equals 11. 11, what is our units this time? Our units is inches again. So x is the width. I found x. Now I need to find the length. To find the length, I have to use the 2x minus 5. 2 times 11 minus 5, 22 minus 5, 17. So our dimensions for this rectangle are 11 inches by 17 inches.